Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make this amazing barbecue sauce. And now, let's get started. To begin, I have all my veggies already washed and prepped. Next, get all your seasonings ready. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Go ahead and transfer all the prepped veggies and seasonings into a blender. Add some vegetable oil, cover and blend until it is smooth. We are not adding any water here, so the vegetable oil helps in the blending process. Once done blending, transfer in a clean pot. Keep stirring and frying until it reduces in quantity. Once the oil floats on top just like this, then it is ready. Go ahead and serve. You can eat this with grilled fish, plantain, yam. I even had to try this with white rice and the taste was heavenly, honestly. Hope you guys will be trying out this amazing recipe, and thank you all for watching. Remain blessed. Bye.